For action. Drop your weapons. All right, men. Load your weapons. All right, men. Load your weapons. A little help here.
Starting to sound bad.
Drop your weapons.
Hey, Liz. How's it? Welcome to Mongoose Max Hawaii, the channel. You get to see some junk. That sounded bad too.
Here they come again.
Moving along. It's Wednesday. We got Toastmasters. Well, I got Toastmasters and they too, so I guess it's a we. This is working, I think. And last time I didn't even turn it on. Me and audio, you know, and 2,500 miles away, coming to a beach near you. Tropical storm Felicia. And you know those things. They're coming in. It's coming in off it's the hurricane season, and this is a potential hurricane. It's not hurricane level yet, but it's probably going to go up to category 1 in the middle of the Pacific. And by the time it gets here, who knows? No one knows. The general thing is, if there's heat is energy, and a heated up ocean, like the El Nino stuff, can be sucked up into the energy of the storm. It's hot, cold, and then it starts to move, and blah, you get the picture. Check out the movie with the tornadoes went. Let's keep going on, because this is just ridiculous. And I'm not gonna do this for any long. No, how long have we already started? And so, obviously, this is not newspaper. I'm not going to go back to the same old tricks, because then I have to replicate all the tricks that this comic turned it into a routine. That was the problem. And lucky I saved this stuff from just throwing out stuff. This doesn't spring cleaning. And lucky I picked this one up. I was like, hey, this is an all black mug. It's like one of those kind when it gets hot. Oh, that's what I should do. I was like, should I drink the cold coffee? Should I drink the hot coffee? Should I drink the cold coffee? Should I drink the hot coffee? It's like, shut the hell up and just drink some coffee. So I'm going to do this. They teach you this in chemistry. Actually for mixing. But if I do that, then I'll have a signet. Possibly signet. No. Not hot enough. It changes colors, okay? Frank Zappa on here. Frank Zappa. I'm going to put some of that back because I don't want my coffee to spill. Got that kind of thing going on. Okay, so now where are we? Yes, there is a newspaper. So seriously, oh, here it is. Okay, we got. Let's just run this by. Run this by as I'm trying to get to a little bit of it. Ow! That seriously was ouch. Okay, consumer prices surged in June. And they use the word inflation because that's supposed to just describe when prices go up everywhere. The prices are going up everywhere. They're constantly going up everywhere. But really, the cost that the businesses are getting kicked in the gonads over profit, bottom line, and all that. So now they're all, oh, we want to open up. We want to open up. And they're all like that, right? Because we want to take advantage of our workers and we want to pay them as less as possible and have my most output because our bottom line. Because they're all about profit only. And they're like freaking crazy. But I mean, I get it. Businesses go out of business and you lose a lot of money. That bites. And some people are on the survival level. I understand. I get it. Blind yet? No, but some of this stuff is just pure playground for unabated greed, and that's where I see your inflation right here is greed. Oh, last year, Marco Polo follower. We're not going to do that. Condo buildup. I'm thinking it was a freaking bad meth lab that caught on fire. That's what happened. I'm thinking high-rise fires. Scary. Back in the day, the pastry... The pastry... I can do this because I turn away from that. Audio is king. Felicia. Oh, Felicia. Figure something for that. The pastry... Prize pastry. Oh, not just pastry, you get the prize. The prize pastry shop is one of the features of the new Nakatani building in Nanakuli. So Nanakuli got the Nakatani building. Did I say that right? Nakatani. Yes, I did. In 1961. Hey, check it out. The lady's like, hey, man, you want this pie? Come closer. I'll give you the pie. Right in the eye. Okay. 1961. Oh, back in the day. Prize pastry. It's kind of interesting, like that was like the coolest thing. Oh, I don't know. I was going to feature. I don't know. We don't have a political cartoon, but so what? This one's like, if current trends continue, none of us will have any friends in the year 2026. That's okay. It's been like manga snacks here. You talk to yourself in a camera. It's like talking to a mirror, except you get it recorded. You're totally idiocy for permanent record. My sister doesn't. Alice's sister doesn't like me doing this. It's a permanent record. It's a permanent record. It's on the internet forever. Like even if I erase this, somebody might have downloaded it and it's like, I have it. There you go. Just don't do anything. Biden by said, just restrict voting. Blast them up in the podium. Blast you up at the podium. What are they going to do? Holiday variant? Oh, yeah. Every single... The belt is all over Hawaii. It's done. It's a done deal. It's in every county. It's in all islands. And... you know the young people? Oh, yeah, we can't get it because we're young. We're not like the old people. We're Gen this. We're Gen this. I don't know. The young people are catching it too. Bam. And all the new cases, Delta, pretty much. And the ones who are catching it, non-vax. So every common sense thing that you've ever heard about dealing with this, and everyone protested. Goldfish reach giant. Oh, check this out. It's coming true. So watch out. Here it is. Oh, watch out. You know the goldfish. Hey, I'm so cute. Look at that little goldfish girl. I'm tired of feeding the little goldfish in the bowl and changing the goldfish. Gotta change the life. Goldfish. So, you know, like the Dr. Seuss. Goldfish. I'm gonna throw it in the lake. It'll be happy. Look, they grow to giant monster size. It's like the Godzilla story. Every time. What's the one in there? What are you doing? This is so local. We don't need this. Everyone's like going goo goo gaga on baseball. He's a pitcher. He's a catcher. He's a home run hitter. He's an everything. So, I don't know. For some reason, I'm not thrilled. Aquarium fishing, don't fish out. Don't just take fish and stick them in, and then you throw them in the lake and they go to giant goldfish. And here they are. Protest opening. And psychological pictures. Oh, this is what we're missing. Big Q. Why is this getting so? Okay. Big Q. Would you sign up for space tourism if the cost came down to, say, $100,000? How about $10? What if it's $10? $10, eh? Would you go up? It's like bartering the cost of... let's see what they say. 5%, definitely worth once-in-a-lifetime journey. So 5% say it's definitely worth it. 100,000. 13%, maybe intriguing to consider. 82%, no, too dangerous, not worth expense. It's not worth my life. $100,000. Now $10. Hey, $10 would do it. House bill, $75 million radar. This, which is not, and this, which we don't want that, and no. And I'm totally lost because of this and that. Where did it go? There, no, that's not it. I outsmarted myself. Where the heck did it go? Where did it go? Oh, shoot. I saw it. I did. Okay. Oh, there it is. God, man. Fires everywhere. That's so confusing. Toastmasters in 10 minutes. Oh, God. That thing's wrong. Okay, here we go. It's not overly gross with time. Okay. That is to the editor. All right. Let's get this going. Things just coming. We don't know how much time we have anyways. Kope. Hot Kope. Ew. And then you brew your own. Sometimes it's a good Sometimes it's a Hawaiian coffee. It's Kope. That's Anglicanizing. So I say Kope and you look in the closed captions, it's like Kope, like insurance Kope. I don't know. I might discontinue that. Columnists write about mishandling tourist tax. As a veteran tourism worker, I wish to thank both Dave Shapiro and Richard Barreca for their columns in Sunday's Star Advertiser covering the legislative handling of Hawaii Tourism Authority budget and the transient accommodation tax. TAT. Without the tit. It's just TAT. Transient accommodation tax. That's what it's about. Site article. Quote, Hawaii will pay cost of tourism vacuum left by legislator after decades of back and forth tourism. Ball lines and county score for more taxation. So who's going to pay? It's magical inflation. Who's going to pay? The tourist reading their articles clearly reflects that they have, as the saying goes, quote, their heads up there on their shoulders. And certainly points out those legislators who have their heads somewhere else. He went there. I'd also like to point out that what the legislators call 3%, in quotes here, that the counties may add to the current TAT is a 29.3% increase to the current 10.25% TAT. Not a 3% increase, somewhat conveniently misstated by those with insufficient math skills. Who are you calling stupid? Who aren't concerned about potential visitor reaction to such an increase. John Votis Kamuki. Thank you, John Votis Kamuki. Wait a minute, I'm confused. The 29.3% increase to the current 10.25%. How do you go from 29.3% and increase it to 10.25%? Either someone doesn't have sufficient math skills like myself, or there's a grammatical error there. Just somehow doesn't make sense. Anyways, put a check on that. Help is out there to help mental health. Yeah, If you're suffering depression, talk to some friends, and if it's really serious, go see somebody. If you're suffering from something else, get yourself locked up. There's some real cuckoos out there. I know. I'm not talking eccentric. Ooh, oh, you're so silly. We lock you up. No, I'm talking dangerous. As well as, never mind. It's an island. We all go crazy. Come visit. You pay lots of money. Let's work to curb noise ruining neighborhoods. Noise pollution. This one's striking home lately. Loud noise does ruin, in italics, our quality of life in paradise! Exclamation point. It's everywhere, near and far. From leaf blowers. Especially those guys, they have the leaf blowers. They're making lots of noise to prove that they're working so they get their pay. I've been doing this for hours. Blow the leaves up the driveway, blow the leaves into the street, blow them back up the driveway. And barking dogs in your neighborhood's yard to touring helicopters, which do fly too low, hovering in our skies. They go right over here. And from our friends with speeding motorcycles, wonky scooters, this is the skate from Willy Wonka, to endless sirens piercing your neighborhoods day and night. Away! Oh, away! They forgot about those glass pack mufflers I used to get. They used to make it sound like that. They all need to take a nap. Capital letters NAP. And join the noise abatement protocol. The irony. Noise abatement protocol. NAP. Let's organize community efforts to do this. Mike McCormick, Kamiki. I guess he's into the noise abatement protocol. We can do it. Join the noise abatement protocol. And then you have these little signs going around saying, take a nap. I think, I don't know, you go driving along, trying not to fall asleep behind the wheel. Anyways, all right, that's it. Oh, it's close past the time. For me, anyways, I gotta hang loose. Have a wonderful today, tomorrow, whatever. Bye, aloha. Hey, aloha. I said aloha.